Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm making Skillet Southwest spaghetti. Alright, I'm starting out a large skillet and I added in 1 pound of ground beef. I'm going to get this browned up and drain off the excess grease. Alright, now that my ground beef is brown and I drained off the excess grease, I'm going to add in 2 1/4 cups of water. And I have my skillet down on low because I got busy and I was doing other things. Now I'm going to turn it up to medium-high. I'm going to add in 2 teaspoons of chili powder, and I'm just eyeballing this. I'm going to add in a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a 1/2 teaspoon of granulated garlic, or you could use garlic powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of cumin. And guys, if you haven't cooked with cumin before, try it. It makes everything really good. Gives it a good earthy, savory flavor. I'm going to give that a stir. Get everything all blended together. Alright, now I'm going to put in 15 ounces of tomato sauce. This here is a 29-ounce can, so roughly about half, not quite. That looks about good there. Stir this around, get everybody all incorporated. I'm going to turn this up a little bit and bring it up to a gentle boil while we get the spaghetti ready. Spaghetti ready. I'm a poet and I don't even realize it. Alright. Now I'm going to add in 8 ounces of spaghetti, but I'm going to break this in half. And this is a 1 pound container, which it won't go to waste because I'll use the rest of that spaghetti for another meal for a side dish. And just spread it around in there so you don't get big clumps of spaghetti. Let me see here, we'll take just a little more. That's about half the box. I'm going to go ahead and get my spaghetti down underneath our liquid. Now I'm going to bring this up to a gentle boil, and I'm going to allow it to gentle boil for about 12 minutes. That's how I like my spaghetti tender. If you like yours al dente, you do it for about 10 minutes. And I'll go in there as spaghetti softens and stir it around periodically so we don't have a big clump of spaghetti. Alright, my 12 minutes are up. This is done. You can see how the spaghetti drank up all of this excess sauce. I have some fresh grated cheddar cheese here. I'm going to put some on top of the spaghetti. And I'll reserve a little bit of cheese for the serving plate. This is ready to go, guys. Let's go ahead and fix up the plate and see what we got. I went ahead and put a little more cheese on there, melt it, and I added some chives, some color, a little extra flavor. Get in there and give this a try, guys. Spaghetti's tender, real cheesy. You get that chili powder, that cumin coming through. That's really good. Get some of this ground beef, nice and tender. That's really delicious, guys. And as you see, it's one pot meal, not hard at all. No dicing or slicing. The only thing I did is shredded the cheese. And you can buy store-bought cheese if you don't want to shred it by hand. Alright, there you have it. Skillet Southwest spaghetti. Thanks for watching, and remember, love what you eat and eat what you love.